Complement your advertising with a message on a large digital screen at Arnold Palmer Regional Airport. Your message delivered on this 65-inch high-resolution screen is sure to grab the attention of nearly 300,000 travelers passing through the airport terminal every year. With 3 flights departing daily, your message could be seen by nearly 700 daily and 25,000 monthly travelers coming from all over Pennsylvania, Ohio, West Virginia, Maryland, and New York. Arnold Palmer Regional Airport benefits the Latrobe area economy in many ways. Travelers enjoy dining, shopping, and lodging before and after flights. The annual Westmoreland County Airshow 2-day event attracts over 100,000 visitors. The State Department of Transportation Bureau of Aviation calculates these travelers directly and indirectly impact the local economy by nearly $200 million. Advertising at the airport works. Your message will have an opportunity to engage with people who in any other settings would often be too distracted with their daily tasks and routines. Your message will be viewed by consumers who are ready to spend. Travelers spend money with local businesses prior to and after their flights. They shop, eat, and are on the lookout for nearby destinations. These are potential customers that you should be striving to attract. The Westmoreland County Airport Authority and staff are committed to enhancing the Arnold Palmer Regional Airport facilities to their maximum potential and providing safe, secure, and effective travel environments for the people and the communities it serves. Ongoing and future airport developments will attract more passengers in numbers and more affluent travelers in terms of willingness to spend. For advertisers, this means more opportunities to reach out to larger audiences and ultimately additional awareness. To advertise your business on this large screen, get in touch with us at 724-539-8100.